Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to forward a message on Viber. Maybe you receive a message that you want to share with someone else, or just want to forward an important piece of information to another chat. So today I'm going to show you how to forward a message on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this screen, select the chat that contains the message that you want to forward. Next, find the specific message that you want to forward and long press on it. A menu will appear, and from this menu, tap on this forward option. Now, you can choose the chat or contact to whom you want to forward the message. You can select multiple chats if you want to forward the message to several people at once. Simply tap on the contact. Once you have selected the contacts, tap on the send button. After that, the message will then be forwarded to the chosen contact. It is important to note that when you forward the message, it will appear as a new message in the chosen contact with the original sender's information. There you go. If you wanted to know how to forward a message on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to forward a message on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.